Hello and welcome to this new Kosmik video. So today I want to show you how you can share your work with your colleagues, teammates or friends. So in Kosmik, we have workspaces. When you onboarded Kosmik for the first time, you created workspaces. And so if you go in those workspace settings and you go to members, you can invite people directly here. And if you invite someone in the workspace, that person will be able to have access to all the universes that you see in the sidebar here. And so they'll be able to work with you in those universes. Now, maybe you do not want to give access to your whole workspace to someone. So what you can do is you click on the share menu. And in the share menu, you'll see two tabs. The first tab is the share tab. Here you can see that in Paul workspace, so in my workspace, everyone can see that universe. But I can also have guests. And so to invite a guest, you just type the email address. For example, here I'm going to invite myself. Click and send an invite. And that person will be invited and you will see it as invited in that share menu as long as they do not confirm. It works with people who already have a Kosmik account or with people that haven't yet signed up for Kosmik, and they will be prompted to continue the sign-up process, and then they will be able to work with you. You see here you have a link, and you can copy that link, paste it in any web browser, and you will be able to share a read-only version of your Kosmik universe with anyone. Just copy and send away. You can even transform your Kosmik universes in templates. To do that, just click on Allow Duplicate, turn on the toggle, copy the link, and someone that pastes that link in the browser and that has a Kosmik account can duplicate that universe in a workspace and play around with it. Now, the last thing I wanted to show you is we have presence indicator. So here, for example, if I open my sidebar, you can see there's a bubble here that indicates that someone else is in the universe with me. And that person is actually me on another computer. And you can see that we have live cursor just like you expect from Figma or other SaaS software. And when someone selects a sticker and starts walking in it, it is locked. So there's no risk of messing up with someone else's work. If you have any question, please reach out to us by email or on Reddit. We'll be happy to assist. And we hope you'll like working with your colleagues, teammates, or friends in Kosmik. See you very soon. Bye.